Hi, it's Mike here from SupremeGadgets. Hope you're all having a great day. Now today we've got a quick unboxing of the new Apple TV 4K second generation. So here's the box. We've got a picture of the remote and the actual Apple TV on the front of it. Got a few bits of details on here. This is a 64GB model. Nothing on that side, just the new logo on that side. And then just a brief description, the apps you can get and connection with AirPlay, HomePod and the AirPods if you wish as well. So we'll get onto the unboxing. Slide it open. And there we go. We have the new Apple TV, which is right here. Which we can just take a little thing off the wrapping. Very basic design, but we've got the power input, HDMI and the Ethernet port, or network port as you want to call it. Apple TV on the top, and then we'll just have the usual little icon there, light there, just showing it's working. So pop that to one side. And here's our new Apple TV remote. Get it out of the box. So again, just, oh, okay. Could have been easy to open it. So we've got the click wheel, a bit like the old iPods. The back button, play, pause, mute, volume up and down, the Apple TV button, and the Siri button on that side as well as the clicker button in the middle, and the lightning port to charge it up right there. Let's see what else is in the box. So we'll open this up. This looks like it's the cables. So we've got the power supply, because we're in Britain. We've got the 3-pin plug. So just a quick look at how to get into this. Is that how you do it? Oh, there you go. There you go. 3-pin plug. That's there. What else is in here? So the other box out. We've got Apple TV instructions. Oh, we've got the obligatory Apple stickers as well, and a lightning to USB cable to charge the the remote control. And that's it. You don't get a HDMI cable, but then again we've got loads of them anyway, so it doesn't matter about that. So I'm going to get this set up, and then I'll be back soon with a preview of what it looks like. So we're back on the Apple TV now. Setup was really quick using my phone, so it was easy enough. I calibrated the colour, although the TV apparently didn't need any colour calibrations. And I have set it up as my previous Apple TV, so it's Apple TV 4 I used to have. And silky smooth, same interface. No ads, like say on the Amazon Fire TV, like that unfortunately does have a lot of ads. This is a very clean interface. I haven't tried out any games as yet, and I'm going to take a few weeks to just go over and maybe come back with a bit of an update. But so far, the remote control works absolutely flawlessly. You can still use it if I hold it in front. You can actually still use it like you would do with the old Apple TV remote, swiping. But now you can actually use the click buttons, left and right, up, down, for instance. You've got the power button, which can turn the TV on and off, as well as everything else. You've got the mute button, the power up and down. The TV button takes you to the Apple TV app, or if you want, you can change that to go home. But if you actually hold this one down, this back button, it will take you home anyway. So yes, got everything installed on here. Got all the main apps like Netflix, Apple TV, I've got Plex, Disney Plus, BritBox, the music, Prime, all work fine on here. Unfortunately, I don't believe YouTube's been updated to include HDR on the Apple TV yet. I don't know why Google are dragging their heels, but it's probably because of competitors. But other than that, it does have 4K, which is good. I'm going to give probably Apple Arcade another try. I did take a 3-month on that a while back, and it was really impressive. I enjoyed it, so I was going to give that another try. I do believe we get another year's subscription to Apple TV. I don't know, that hasn't come up yet, but we'll see about that. At the moment, I've got it set. If I go into here, into my settings, I have got it set to, using the videos, I've got it set to 4K standard dynamic range. And the reason I've done that is because if you go into something like BritBox or another program and it's got old programs on it, and it will try and force them to display HDR, it appears so far. So what I've done is I've just put it onto standard dynamic range, and then it's match content range and frame rate, and that will then switch if it is HDR, which is better, I think, really. At the moment I've got it set on 60 Hz, so the camera can film it better, but other than that I'd normally switch it back to 50 Hz. So again, programs in the TV in the UK were generally made to run on 50 Hz, so you can always switch to 60 Hz as and when it needs to. But yeah, silky smooth setup. You got your colour balance there, which obviously is not required on this one. That's new with tvOS 14. You got the check HDMI, so you can check if everything's running okay on that. You can have multiple users as you could with the previous one. So all in all, it's really good. Going to give it a try. On the 4K, I've given it a little bit of a try before. On 4K, it seems to work fine. HDR looks fantastic. So I'll give it a good try over the next few weeks, and hopefully come back with a different update for you in a bit later on. And before I do go, I just wanted to say I've recorded this entire video on my iPhone 12 Pro, including audio, video and editing. So hopefully it comes out okay and it uploads to YouTube. So I will not have touched my Mac at all, or PC, to do this video, except maybe just to tidy up the editing on YouTube right at the end. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Thanks very much. Bye.